This is the first thing you have to do to increase your phone battery performance. Go ahead and swipe all the way to the left on your phone and you will see this new section. This is something that nobody uses in their phone. If you want to save some battery and data, just disable this section. To do it's really easy. Let's go ahead and tap on your profile right corner at the top, and then right here let's go ahead and click on settings. Scroll all the way down until you see other settings. Tap on that and then just turn off discover. As soon as you turn off discover, if you go back, as you can see now, the new section right here is disabled. Now if you want to enable this new section in the future, just tap on turn on discover. Just wait a few seconds and everything will come right on. That was the first tip. Let's jump to the next one. What you're gonna do now, open up the settings, scroll down until you see notifications, tap on that. Let's go ahead and tap on app notifications. And guys, if you really wanna save battery, so you will have to turn off the setting for apps that you don't use on your phone or apps that you don't want notification. And the only reason you want to do that is because every time your phone receives notification, your screen turn on, and that will use a lot of battery. So just turn off the setting for apps that you don't want notifications, okay? Or for apps that you don't use. Let's go with the next one. What you're gonna do now, open up the settings, scroll down until you see location, tap on that setting. Now let's go ahead and tap on app permissions. So right here, guys, you will see all the apps that are allowed to be tracking your location the whole time, even if you don't use the app. So basically, if I open the Google app right here, as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 settings. The first one, allow all the time. That means even if you don't use the app is allowed to be tracking your location. The second one, allow only while you're using the app. So that means if you are using the app, that's the only way that app is gonna track your location. Ask every time. That means if you are using the app and the app needs to track your location, the phone will ask you first if you allow the app to track your location. And the last one, don't allow. So guys, this is the thing right here. If you don't want an app to track your location, just tap on don't allow, okay? That's the one you're gonna choose. Now, some apps need to track your location like GPS, sometimes apps like that you use to shop around. So you're gonna choose allow only while using the app. That's because if you choose allow all the time, that app is gonna be using your phone battery, even if you don't use the app. The next tip is one of the best ones, but I think only Samsung phone have that feature, but just try on your phone to see. What you're gonna do, open up the settings, scroll down until you see battery. On Samsung phone, you will see device care. Let's go ahead and tap on that. Let's go ahead and tap on battery. Now let's go ahead and tap on background app limit. On this section, you will see different actions. Let's go ahead and tap on deep sleeping apps. Right at the top, you will see the plus icon. Let's go ahead and tap on it. Then you will see all your phone apps on this section. The game right here is to select all the apps that you don't use on your phone or apps that you barely use. So basically, once you select all the apps, okay, then you go ahead and tap on add. All the apps right here are not allowed to be running in the background on your phone, and that's actually draining your phone battery faster. But that doesn't mean those apps are no longer working on your phone. No, those apps are perfectly fine. The thing is, those apps are gonna be running on your phone when you manually open them, okay? So basically, if you open funny icon, for example, the app is gonna be working perfectly, and by doing this you are saving a lot of battery on your phone. If you guys want, I can make a part 2. Just let me know in the comment section, and for those who have iPhone, the next video will be for you guys. So that's all for today, guys. Please let me know in the comment section if you like this video, drop a like, subscribe to the channel. I will see you in my next video.